Yes, this is Dr. M. Sankararao. So I'm from Nanasol Energy Private Limited. It is a Hyderabad-based startup company. It is started in December 2020. So basically, we are a technical guys that we are going to develop the process technologies for hydrogen production by using that electrolysis of water, or SMR, or methane, or ammonia cracking system from the lab scale to pilot scale. And we will give the consultancy services for the process development of manufacturing of the stack, assembly of the electrodes or assembly of the stack, and testing, validation of the product. And we'll also develop a process technology for direct conversion of carbon dioxide to value-added products like methanol or hydrocarbons. This is under testing stage. And we'll also give the design and fabrication and supply of the customized process equipments. So this is our key people. Each one have a more than 10 plus years of experience for the development of the catalyst as well as this design and validation of the product and that instrumentation and so on. So this is our core team. So this is our gap we are identified for the past 10 years. So many R&D institutions in India or abroad, they are doing about the basic research and they are developing some prototype at a lab scale and they are optimize it. And it will stop there in the many R&D institutions like CSR or IIT labs or so many institutions. So where that we are identify the gap between the market ready product and lab scale developed product. So that's why this yellow marking, this will be done by Nanasol Energy, where the design and fabrication of the pilot scale and we are testing of the and optimization if there any problem, and we'll give the field trials of the developed product and we'll upgrade the design based on the field trials or we are modified the field trials and we can finally evaluate. Like as a business person, we need at the end what is the return of investment for that particular product. So we are going to evaluate this techno-economic evaluation and we will make into the market ready product. So this is the idea to start this startup. So our core areas is PEM electrolysis and methane or ammonia cracking process and the PEM fuel cells and CO2 conversion technologies. So this is that hydrogen economy. To introduce a new technology into the market, it needs a complete ecosystem like generation, and I think this room is fulfill all these things: storage system and transportation system as well as this dispensing system and all these things. So where we are using this one, like it is a hydrogen generator, like we are working on this electrolyzer or cracking technology where we can generate the hydrogen. So where this hydrogen generation, we can store it and it will be useful for the gas or power plants or power grid, and you can use for the pipeline, for the transportation, for refineries or fertilizers or steel industries. So and the third one, you can dispensing the system for the application of the fuel cell vehicles. And you can also give the long distance transport. So it is a collective work is needed to bring this hydrogen generation technologies into the market. So these are the hydrogen generation technologies. 3 techniques are available. One is the steam reformation and the cracking of ammonia or methane or bio-CNG. And the third one is electrolysis. So where that Nanasol is working exclusively for this cracking technology as well as this electrolysis technologies as a prototype, and followed by we can upgrade this one. So this is that based on our experience, this is the first time we can build indigenously developed 3 liter per hour hydrogen generation system. Except membranes, everything is indigenously developed. It is a green hydrogen system with a PEM based technology, and it is a 3 liter per hour capacity, and it will produce the 99%, 99.999% of hydrogen like a fuel cell grade hydrogen, and as well as this high pure oxygen. So this is that mechanism of this PEM water electrolysis, where that membrane, the standard one is there, only we are using that one. Remaining all this stack, catalyst, everything is indigenously developed one. And this is the whole mechanism, where the advantage of the PEM electrolysis is the direct conversion, and you can get, if you develop the technology large scale, you have a good returns and it will energy save. Why? Because the byproduct, if you are using for in fuel cells, it will give only steam, and it is a safe to operation, and it will give high pure hydrogen where you can use directly for the fuel cells and easy to operate and maintain. Why? Because it will, the only main product is the only stack, we can replace it. So this is the mechanism, and this is that we are looking for this JV or collaboration to develop this product in the large scale, like a 1 meter cube or 10 meter cube, like that. So this is the total concept, ideation and conceptualization of the market ready product, and followed by this I gave the timeline, and design of the prototype, fabrication and assembly of the prototype, and testing and optimization of the prototype, and field trials at the different locations, and optimization, upgradation after field trials, and same thing we can replica for the 3 to 4, 5 numbers, and we are going to put in a different places, and we will get the decant, and followed by we will make into the market ready product. This is one we are looking for this JV or collaboration for this product. And this is the second one, where it is a indigenously developed methane or ammonia cracking system with the commercially available catalyst. The output of this reactor is 5 kg per day of the hydrogen generation system. The raw gas, you can use the biogas or methane or ammonia, where you can get the, if you use that biogas or ammonia, you can get the carbon nanotubes as output along with the high pure hydrogen. So where it will give the direct product of the hydrogen, and it's a carbon powder, and there is no other intermediate. This is a one-step reaction. That is the main advantage of this reactor, and we are going to, it will be ready by in a couple of months. This is the complete process, technical parameters, and this is the product line for the market ready product. It is a directly sale, and we will going to deploy to the like a CNG plants we can install, or you can install for the any R&D institutions. Like it is a, at present it is in the design and fabrication, it is already, it is there, and the testing is going on. It will be another 6 months. We are making to the market ready product. For this one, 5 kg per day system too, we are capable of doing 100 kgs per day system. So here it is this product is completely indigenous developed, including the catalyst and everything. And this is that, and in addition to about these two products, we can also establish a small scale R&D facility, those who are working for the fuel cells or electrolyzers, where we can support them for the small scale R&D institutions and research institutes for the fuel cell as well as the electrolyzer systems. So this is the fuel cell test bench. We are supplied to that few of the IITs and CSR labs. And this is our capabilities: process development, process optimization, design and fabrication, commissioning and scale-up studies, as well as the reactor and other equipment design. So this is the demonstration of 3 liter per hour. We are already delivered to the TS Redco, Telangana government, Hyderabad. It is inaugurated by IAS officer Sunil Sharma sir in the last few months back. And with this, I thank you to the Net Zero Summit 2022. And I am grateful thanks to Manoj Tiwari for providing this opportunity to showcase our technology into the national platform. Thank you very much. Thank you to one and all.